Well, go on guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to go ahead and replace this front seat on the Chevy Malibu. So you can see, imagine you're driving, you press on the brake and it slide you forward. So I'm going to show you how to remove the seat from the car. And I have a car that that's total, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take this seat from it and put it in this one. So let's go ahead and remove the seat. So first you want to make sure the seat is all the way back. Once the seat is all the way back, you just want to get a T50 torque, which is going to be this right here. So you can use a ratchet handle. So like that. So guys, because I am working and I need to move fast, I'm not going to use this, but you know you can use that if you want. I'm going to use impact gun. So you can see, take all these two, and then you're gonna have two more in the back to remove. So guys, push this all the way forward, and now once you have the seat all the way forward, your seat won't move. Maybe your seat will move like this, or it won't move like that. But if these still work, the controls will slide the seat back and forth, you can use that. So right here, so this, we want to take that out. So this red piece right here, we need to push that back. So we need to push it back all the way. Then we can bring this black piece up. So once you push it back like this, you want to push down on it, just like that, and it will come loose just like that, guys. So now what we can do is bring the seat back and kind of tilt the front. So this normally is on a screw right here. You can just pull this off just like that. So now the car is free from the vehicle. I know the seat is free from the vehicle, I should say. Let's take it out. Top side, take it around. That's how you take it out and put it in. So now, since we're in the car now, what we want to do is get the holes to line up. So you want to make sure all the holes line up front and back before you tighten it down. Catch your screws. And also make sure you have your car off keys not in ignition or battery off, whichever way you choose, and plug this in. So that's good right there. Just need to tighten these in the back and then move to the front. So guys, you just want to set these back just like that, and that's it guys for this one. No light on the dash. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out, see you next time.